Welcome back to my channel. If you are here watching this specific video, then that means that you're probably at the beginning of your successful journey on Amazon FBA. And you're probably at the point where you're feeling a little overwhelmed because you're still in the learning process. Don't worry, I've got your back on this channel. Everything Amazon FBA related is here in my video section. So if you're interested in that type of video or any video really to make passive income, to make videos online, I've got you covered. Subscribe to the channel and I'm here every single week helping you to make money. Now today we're talking about a very important metric that you have to understand in the very beginning of being an Amazon seller. And that is understanding Amazon sales rank. This is also known as the BSR, the best sellers rank. So let me explain to you what that is because it can be a little confusing. And because I know it's confusing, I did create a nice spreadsheet for you, completely for free, of course, that you can download, and it shows you all of the data for what good BSR ranks are within each category at a quick glance. You'll find that right down in the description of this video. Every product on Amazon has a BSR number associated to it. Basically, this is giving you a snapshot of how well that product is selling in its category. The lower the rank, that means the higher the sales. But because some categories have this many products and other categories are this small, you really do need to know what a good rank means in each category. 100,000 might be a strong rank in category X, but it might be a super poor BSR in category Y. That's where the cheat sheet is going to come in hand for you because I broke down all of the categories and you can see exactly what the top 1%, 5%, and 10% are for each category's BSR, best sellers rank. Now I mentioned that every product has a BSR and you can find this on the listing for any product. And if you want to see it super fast, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of that listing. But that takes time. So if you want to see that data super fast, then right now you're going to sign up for ProfitGuru, which is a completely free software for Amazon sellers, and it comes with a Google Chrome extension. This extension is going to tell you everything from A to Z that you need to know about this product as a seller. And of course, the BSR is right here for you. This data right here is what I'm talking about. Now, don't worry, you don't have to take a quick screenshot of it and pause this or write it down. This is what is in that free sheet for you. That's right in my Gumroad. Everything is broken down by category. We have books, we have toys, we have electronics, toys and games, for example. If you find a product with a sales rank in the top 1,000, that is amazing. That means this product is selling a lot. But as we get towards the 50,000 mark for its BSR, that would be a maybe for me. It's probably still going to sell. That's not a super bad rank, but it's probably going to take some time. So understanding sales rank and BSR is one of the first things that you have to have extremely well concept and grasp of so that you're not buying products to resell that are just sitting, because that's money. You want products that are selling extremely fast so you get that money back and you can keep rolling it into your business month after month and scaling. And because I obviously want to be reselling products that are selling fast and have an amazing rank, I also use the free ProfitGuru software to help me to find these products. All that I have to do is put in some filters here, make sure that it's bringing up products that are not high within ranks of each category. I use my little cheat sheet, I decide which category I'm looking for, put in a strong rank accordingly, and ProfitGuru shows me the products that are performing the best. From there, I just need to check the profit margins. I use the free calculator to make sure that my cost of goods and all of the fees and my listing price are where they need to be for me to make the profit that I want. And that's all you need to know about bestsellers rank in a nutshell. Always make sure you're looking at it, but also make sure that you're looking at other data around it. Be sure that these products aren't just seasonal and selling at that specific month. Check the historical data on ProfitGuru's free software and always make sure that those products have a strong BSR in its category. So right now, click down below, get that 2025 sales rank cheat sheet downloaded, sign up for your ProfitGuru completely free membership, and you are ready to start finding products that sell super fast on Amazon. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, please let me know down in the comment section, like this video, and of course, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you right back here next week with other tips on how to sell on Amazon, plus how to make money online other ways. I'll catch you back right here next week. See you in the next one.